Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Project Bandit, and today I'm going to be putting in the new transmission. Brand new one. This thing's heavy, definitely heavier than the stock one. It's got all metal gears inside it. So let's get to it. Alright, got the trans out. Gonna set this chassis aside for now. And I'm going to change out these little 5x8 bearing carriers to 5x11s while I'm at it. These are just 5x8 bushings right now, and they're going to be 5x11 bearings. That'll be a lot better. Just stripping everything off of the old trans right now. The drive shafts, the arms, everything. I'm curious to what this motor actually is in here. It kind of looks like a Speed Gems old school one, but I'm not sure. I'll find out. So this is a D5 flatliner motor. It's an 8-turn double. That is a really hot motor. If I had a brushed ESC, I would just leave this in here, but I don't, so waiting on the brushless set to come. So one thing I didn't realize was that the shaft is slightly different on the new transmission compared to the old one. The old one has this hex for the old school slipper clutch, so I'm going to have to order a new style slipper clutch for this one. Yeah, I'm not really sure which one of these is better. The little 5x8 bushings or the 5x11 bearings. My money's on bearings. Alright, time to drop it in the chassis. Cool. Alright. As far as the rear end on this thing goes, it's too legit to quit. Just gonna have to order that new style slipper clutch and wait for the motor and ESC to get here. Got 5x11 bearings in the back end now. Gonna do the front end also. Getting closer. Medically speaking, this is what I would call a transplant. So there's one side, the 5x11 bearing carriers compared to the side I haven't done yet, the 5x8 bushing carriers. So as I was replacing this bearing carrier, if I can get this to focus, I noticed that that is cracked, that caster block, so I'm going to have to get a new one of those. It'll probably hold for a little while, but I'll order one. New stock Bandit tires in the front. Now time for the back. Alright guys, so here is the Traxxas Bandit project after today's work on it. Got the 5x11 bearing carriers all installed, got the new tires installed, got the new transmission put in right there, and got all the electronics stripped out except for the servo, because I'm going back in with Fly Sky receiver and an OC Day brushless setup. So this thing's actually starting to resemble a Traxxas Bandit again, and not some sort of weird tractor for mice. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys.